Our walk begins at the base of a long staircase leading up to the Baguio Cathedral, officially known as the Diocesan Shrine of Our Lady of Atonement. The steps are lined with statues of Catholic saints, turning the climb into a quiet, devotional path before we even reach the church. This is one of Baguio's most recognizable approaches to the cathedral, connecting the busy city below with one of its most important Catholic landmarks. Completed in 1936, it is known for its white, neo-Romanesque facade, rose window designs, and twin belfries topped with red pointed roofs. Walking around the side, the cathedral's size becomes easy to appreciate. The arc windows, circular detail, side buildings, and towers make this one of the most recognizable religious landmarks in Baguio. Today is a busy Mass day. The people are gathered both inside and outside the cathedral, and it's a good reminder that it's not just a historic building, but it's an active center of faith for the local community. Leaving the cathedral area, the walk continues past the Welcome to Baguio sign. Jeepneys, taxis, and traffic move to the road, bringing us back into the everyday rhythm of the city. Ahead, the entrance to Bell Church immediately changes the atmosphere. Located in La Trinidad near the Baguio border, Bell Church was founded in 1960 by a Chinese immigrant led by Entropic, and its dragon-top gateway reflects the Chinese Filipino heritage of the region. Before reaching the main temple grounds, I pass local shops and a Sari-Sari store selling everyday essentials. It's a small detail, but it shows how Bell Church is not an isolated neighborhood, it sits directly within local life. As I continue forward, more dragons line the path like guardians leading towards the temple. The green steps, red pillars, Chinese characters, and curved roofline gives the entrance a strong southern Chinese architectural style adapted to the hillside landscape of Benguet. Climbing higher, the courtyard begins to open up. Guardian lions, red columns, green rooftops, and a small pavilion surround the space, creating a peaceful contrast with the busy road we just left. Near the center, a lotus pond and fountain add a calmer feeling to the temple's grounds. Nearby, a monument honoring founder Entropic, whose community helped establish Bell Church as an important cultural and spiritual site for Chinese Filipinos in this region. Then comes an unexpected moment. Young performers are practicing with drums and a long red and gold dragon preparing for what looks like an upcoming celebration. These are the moments I love finding while traveling because they show culture being practiced in real time. Moving further into the grounds, I come across a warrior-like guardian holding a long weapon. Nearby, a dragon rises from the water as koi fish move to the pond below, adding another layer of symbolism and atmosphere to the temple. This staircase leads higher into the complex. Visitors stop and take photos while red pillars, gold characters, and green railing, flowers, and layered rooflines continue climbing up to the hillside. Near the top, the view becomes one of the best parts of the visit. From this height, you can see rooftops, gardens, pavilions, staircases, and hillside homes surrounding the temple, and it feels like the entire complex was designed to follow the shape of the mountain. Different shaped buildings, gardens, and gazebos, bright flowers, and carved details all connect together, creating a peaceful space above the busy streets below. If you enjoyed exploring with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on the next adventure as we continue discovering the food, culture, and hidden gems of the Philippines and beyond. Until next time, this is Entropic Travel.